and I can't remember, one of these two, depending on what the servo was. I can't remember what the servo was. These are basically mentions the common servos that were around when these kits were sort of the new out on the thing. Futaba, Sanwa, JR, KO I don't know, but JR, Sanwa, Futaba were the three big RC manufacturers at the time. So one of these will fit, one of them won't. I can't remember. We did this exercise on the. That one's not very good. That one's a perfect fit. So it's a Futaba one on this, I think. Yeah, that doesn't really fit. So we'll go with a Futaba end. Should have the servo mounting plate here, which is this. Screws. 3x10mm with a flange on the end. That's not those, and it's not those, and there's none in that. Where are they? Okay, they are in here, but they weren't what I was expecting. This shows screws, these are bolts. Well, there's all sorts of arguments as to when is a bolt a screw, when is a screw a bolt. I think a bolt has to go into a nut and a screw doesn't. But usually, the way I often describe these things is, if it's a parallel thread like this is, it's the same width all the way down to the bottom, it doesn't have a point on it basically, I call them bolts. And when they're like this, which generally have a coarser thread but it's slightly tapered, if you like coming to a blunt point, I call those screws. Why am I stood here looking at this? Well, it says 3x10mm flanged tapping screws.